Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for Malware News. German parliament members suffered yet another email hacking attack. This attack impacted 31 parliament members and was reportedly backed by Russian GRU. A new sophisticated Android spyware is impersonating the System Update app with the purpose of siphoning off user and handset data. Nevada-based call center and service provider 200 Networks exposed an insecure database containing 1.48 million records. Researchers found 30 malicious images on Docker Hub that were used in a crypto-jacking operation to mine Monero worth $200,000. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you're staying safe out there in the cyber world. Give us a call if you need any assistance. Have a good day.